hello, my name is Ramkrishna. This is the next level part of the language. So you have 1% of the yes basically. This type of things basically, space group basically have the full access. Space group basically have the full access. So here 1% of the yes. Space satellite group basically have the full access. So here we are discussing about basically we are designing the security of American president. Discussing the security of American president. And we are discussing that also, that basically how to create one secure human souls basically. How to create one secure human souls basically. That also basically we are discussing here. That basically nobody in this world basically has created basically. So that also basically we are going to discuss basically. So here 1% rule. That also basically we are discussing. That topic also we are discussing. So to create secure human souls basically, this American president experiment basically you have to do basically. There is no option basically. To secure human souls basically, creation of the secure human souls basically, American president basically, souls protection basically, you have to connect with it. You have to dump USA president human souls in the 700 crore human souls data and secure the and do the process. So you need one boundary basically. That boundaries are what basically? His plans basically, what he is going to do basically. What he is going to do basically. So 1% of the yes basically, what he are going to do basically. What he is all he is basically going to do. So next we will see.